Hey there, builders! Today I'm showing you how to grab the genuine Adobe Acrobat installer straight from our website and get the entire workstation deployed on your desktop, completely free, with no trial walls. Let's kick this off by visiting our website and pulling the installer. The download bundles the primary engine ready to go and unpacks the core assets right onto your system drive. First batch unpacked. Let's press forward inside the wizard to install the rest of the program components. The wizard takes over from here and finishes the install automatically. Let's open the application for the first run and check the interface. We'll dive into the main canvas right away and look at the toolset we just installed. Everything is operational and ready to roll. Grab the installer from our website and start shipping real projects on day one, fully unlocked with everything included.